Hello children, this lesson is for class 4. Today we will do chapter 2, that is desktop operation. In this lesson I will tell you about Windows and about desktop. Now what is MS Windows? MS means Microsoft. Okay. Now we call it MS Windows because it was developed by Microsoft Corporation to run your personal computers. Now Windows is an operating system. We call it OS. Now what is operating system? Operating system is the name given to a computer program that allow us to operate a computer. So it is the first software which we require to start a computer. Okay. An operating system helps a user to give an input to the computer, means we give commands, instructions, and then we get the output. Okay. The computer runs according to our instruction. Whatever the command we give, so the computer works according to that only. So the first program, the first software that is required to start a computer, that is called operating system. So Windows is an operating system. A computer cannot function without an operating system. Like you have a car and you don't have a driver, the car will not move. Or you have a car and you don't have petrol in the car will not move. So you need operating system. Okay, that's the software. Like Linux, Unix, DOS, these are also operating system, but we are using Windows, so Windows is also an operating system. Now I will tell you, why do we use Windows? Because Windows is user friendly. Okay, it is easy to use and a multitasking operating system. Okay, it's very easy. We don't have to learn commands in this operating system. So that's why uh, it's called user friendly, GUI, graphic user interface, and is easy to understand. Now there are certain terms in Windows, so I'll tell you about that. Now desktop. Now what is a desktop? The screen that appears after booting of the Windows operating system, that is called desktop. When you start your computer, booting will start your computer, the screen that appears, okay, on your computer, that is called desktop. Okay, and then on the desktop you have icons. Okay, so now what is wallpaper? The background image on the desktop. When you start your computer, the screen that appears, that is desktop, but the background image, that is called wallpaper. Now you can change the wallpaper. You can put your own picture or picture of the school or of your parents. Okay, you can change the wallpaper. So the background image on the desktop is called wallpaper. Now what is screensaver? Suppose you are working on a computer and you have to go somewhere, you have not shut down your computer. So after certain time, you have to specify the time when you are not using a computer, it is idle. So a screen comes, moving screen, that is called screensaver. Actually, it saves the screen. Okay, that is called screensaver. Now icons. What are icons? The small pictures seen on the desktop, like recycle bin, my computer, Google Chrome, or even if you have any game, so you have that icon of that game. So small pictures, these are called icons. Actually, these are software. These are also programs. When you click on that, that program will open. Now taskbar, the long horizontal bar seen at the bottom of the screen, that is called the taskbar. Okay, boys. Now what is a file? A file is a collection of data stored in one unit. When you store some data in one place, that is a file, and you give a name. Okay, it can be a document, picture, audio, video, and any other collection of data. That is called file. You have to give a file name. Then what's a folder? A folder is a storage space or container where many files can be placed. So you keep all the files inside a folder. A folder can also contain other folders. It's called subfolder. Okay, so you can have folder inside a folder. So this is for chapter 2. If you see chapter 6 is also about more about Windows. So I will discuss more about Windows in chapter 6. Okay, boys. Thank you.